Good evening, Philippines. Mike Padua here, and we are back to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday to Wednesday, March 8 to 10, 2021, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. And to begin this week, let's check out on the graph sat. Beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday, we have the return of the northeasterly southwest wind flow across the portions of eastern Luzon. That includes Calabar Zone and also the Bicol region, Mimacopa, Sulu Archipelago, Panatag Shoal, Calayan Island Group, Visayas, as well as northeastern and eastern Mindanao. While up north, over the extreme northernmost parts of Luzon, that includes Batanes and Babuyan, we have the remaining blast of the northeast monsoon, bringing some busy conditions, windy, with some passing showers and mostly cloudy skies over these areas. The waves will be higher, choppy across these areas. And to the east of Mindanao, outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, we are looking at a shallow low pressure area. It's a weaker system moving towards the west in the general direction of Mindanao, and its trough is covering much of the western Micronesia like Palau and into the southern portions of the Philippine Sea. So expect some thunderstorms across these areas within the next couple of days, and come Wednesday to Friday it will affect Mindanao and portions of Visayas. So expect some thunderstorms, rain showers to return over these areas. Although right now we have the northeasterly southwest wind flow, it also brings some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across portions of the Visayas as well as Mindanao, and also some smaller areas of the Bicol region. So there you go. Watch out for possible flash floods and lightning strikes whenever there's a severe thunderstorm passing over your area, particularly over areas of Mindanao and the Visayas. So if you're asking if this LPA, the weak one or the shallow one, will intensify or become a tropical cyclone, we are observing this system, but most of the computer models is not intensifying the system. It will just be a low pressure area, a weak one, as it moves closer towards Mindanao, and the rugged terrain of Mindanao will weaken this system. But we are continuously monitoring the system in the next couple of days for the development of this LPA. And we will keep you updated when we return on Wednesday on the status of this shallow LPA. So whenever there's a shallow LPA, we don't have any percentage. So it means that it's more below 10% chances of becoming a tropical cyclone. But when it intensifies, we will upgrade this LPA. So far, that's the latest from our GraphSat. And as we look at our fast animation, there you go. The movement of the LPA towards the west, now passing over the Palau area. And as we zoom in our satellite animation, courtesy of windy.com, you can clearly see here some array of thunderstorms within the circulation and the trough of this shallow LPA. If we shift it to blue image, you can clearly see here the thunderstorms, and also some isolated showers across Mindanao and portions of Bicol and Visayas. Okay, and as we look at our rainfall accumulation for the next 3 days until Wednesday, there could be some possible showers and thunderstorms to arrive across eastern Visayas as well as eastern Mindanao and portions of northern Mindanao. So expect some thunderstorms across these areas as the LPA moves closer to Mindanao. Okay, so as we look at our wind forecast from American Model, from windy.com as well, and for the next 24 hours, tomorrow evening, the northeasterly southwest wind flow will prevail as the LPA is moving slowly towards the west. Possible entering the Philippine area of responsibility, and the northeast monsoon continues to affect Batanes and Mabuing Kumap Islands. And on Wednesday afternoon, the northeast monsoon will slightly strengthen over extreme northern Luzon, while the northeasterly southeast trade winds, or the northeasterlies, will continue to affect the areas of Bicol region, Mimacopa, Visayas, as well as eastern Mindanao as the LPA moves closer to Mindanao. And so far, that's the latest for today until Wednesday, and we'll be back again on Wednesday to give you more update on the weather. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.